Luke, I want to bring you into the conversation a little bit. Of course, I feel like anytime I talk to any fans about Lenny Bruce, they always say, oh my gosh, ask and find out if we're going to, get a romantic scene between Midge and Lenny and everything. And I know you have gotten that question so many times, and I know how Rachel feels about it too, that they should remain platonic. But instead, I want to talk to you in a way why women love watching you so much on this show. And in my view, it's because Lenny Bruce, at least the way he's portrayed on Maisel, is he's such a modern day feminist in the way that he supports Midge and wants such success for her. He's the ally that everybody wants. Is that how you think of him? Do you think of him as a modern day feminist in the way that you play him?
I do now that you said it. I think, one thing that if you listen to Lenny Bruce a lot, he is obsessed with the human experience from a multitude of angles. So I feel like, and it's always looking for a sort of a through line of simpatico in our experience together. I think that's why he was up on the stage kind of, bringing people in. So yeah, I do think it's fair to say that he would be very considerate about Midge's experience and what she has had to endure, and be sympathetic and thoughtful about it. So, yes.
But he also wants to nail her up, right?
He wants to what?
Wants to nail her too, right?
Oh yeah, that's part of the course.